Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the SAR value comparison between all of these four Realme phones which I got right now. Yes friends, starting with the first phone is the Realme X1 Max device, and second is the Realme GT Master Edition, and third is the Realme GT Neo 2, and fourth phone is the Realme GT device, as you can see. So I do have all the premium end smartphones from the Realme, and let's see which phone has got what type of SAR value and which phone has got lowest SAR value. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So to find the SAR value, you just need to type the number in the dialer, which is *#07#. As you can see, as soon as you get the number, so you'll get this kind of message saying that maximum SAR value levels. So there will be two different values. You can clearly see here. Now I'm going to do the same thing in the rest of the phones. So in this way, you'll be able to compare. So which phone has got the lowest value in the head SAR value and even in the body SAR value. The value should be always less than 1.6. Anything less than 1.6 will be kind of okay. But right now, let me try to do the same thing in other smartphones. So right now I'm trying to show you friends exactly SAR value what is happening. As you can see. So now we'll be able to compare the SAR value, which phone has got what type of SAR. Let me to show you. Bring the camera slightly kind of zoom. Now you'll be able to compare exactly. So first thing, Realme X1 Max, Realme GT Master Edition, Realme GT Neo 2, and the Realme GT. So in this way, I did organize all these phones. So in terms of the head SAR value, you can see 1.149, 1.057, 1.187, and 1.151. So the SAR value, I think, slightly lower in the Realme GT Master Edition. You can see a little bit, but not no other phones. I think all these phones doesn't have any kind of more than 1.2, nothing at all. Only it was below 1.2 only. Not bad. You can compare side by side. And next is regarding the body SAR value. It's a 1.098, 1.181, and 0.700 and 0.748. You can see the lowest SAR values in the Realme GT Neo 2 and the Realme GT. You can clearly see comparing both phones side by side. Now you'll be able to understand what is happening. These two phones has got the lowest body SAR value. You can see 700 when you compare with the Realme X1 Max and the Realme GT Master. I just want to compare like how well the premium end smartphones will be doing with this kind of 25,000 rupees. And when with the Realme GT Master Edition close to 22 and 21,000 rupees if you buy in the offer, I just want to put all phones together and just to see what is going on. So in case if you want me to compare with other smartphones, let me know in the comment section below with what phones you want me to do this kind of comparison. Definitely I'll be able to do those kind of testings as soon as possible. And this is a quick SAR value comparison between all of the four smartphones. I hope you understand. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I'll stay tuned for more updates. And meanwhile, make sure to follow the playlist of each and every smartphone. In case if you want to download these wallpapers also, you can actually do that. So there's a separate playlist which are created for the wallpapers. So make sure to check the playlist of wallpapers, and there you will be able to find and you will be able to download. So thank you for watching this video, friends. And I'll see you in the next video. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.